What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Elijah Porter here, and today we are headed down to Miami. Well, we're actually already in Miami, but we're headed down to Regatta Park in Miami for Das Renn Treffen 2022. Now, if you don't know what Das Renn Treffen is, it's basically a huge Porsche show, probably one of the biggest Porsche shows in the entire country. So stick around and enjoy today's video. I know we're gonna see some awesome cars. Curbed it. You just watched somebody curb a wheel on a car. But it took us a little while to find parking. We had to park kind of far from the show, but we had to walk like, I don't know, maybe a third of a mile to the show. But when we drove by, it looked like there was like literally hundreds of Porsches there. So it's gonna be really great. This little area of Miami is really cool. I don't usually come down this way very much, but anyway, yeah, let's get on to the show.
And he's going to talk a little bit about more of the offerings and why he's part of the DOT experience. Of course, he's going to tell us how we can get more involved. He's going to tell us about the website and social media as well. DRT 2022 merchandise shop.
You gonna make them silver?
Front of the event to the red carpet. So if you have an opportunity, swing by, pick up your merchandise. If you weren't
Well, what an awesome show that was. Literally hundreds of Porsches, maybe even 1,000. I don't know. There were tons of stuff there. I don't even think I actually went and saw everything. If I had to pick a highlight from the show, obviously the Gunther Works 911 drew tons of attention, and that is a super, super cool car. For me, I always gravitate towards the 356s because a 356 has for some reason been my like dream car for a long time. I know they're old, they're not very fast, but for me, they're like the epitome of the perfect shape for a car. I didn't see a GT3 Touring while I was there, which was kind of disappointing. Maybe there was one and I missed it, but I didn't see one. That's kind of like my dream 911 at the moment, as probably many of you are. Of course, the white Carrera GT, obviously drawing a lot of attention as well. But for me, the highlight was really just getting to drive my own 911 down to the show. I've been going to Renn Treffen now for several years, and I've never gotten to drive my own car down there. Yes, I did own the 911 during last year's Renn Treffen, but the show was not that long after I got this car. I had to drive like an hour and a half to get to it, and actually was kind of on a time crunch because I had stuff to do after the show, so I didn't really want to rely on this car not knowing much about it. So we ended up driving down in a different car. So this is my first year getting to drive this down, and that was an excellent experience. I really felt like I was part of the culture when I got down there, you know, driving around with all the Porsches. On my way back a second ago, I was kind of in like a little convoy of 911s. It was just really cool to be a part of the car culture down there. And then on the way home, I also got a haircut, another highlight of my day. So a 2-for-1 for today. I got to see an awesome car show, and I got to get a haircut. So yay for me. But anyway, guys, coming up on the channel, we have a lot of garage updates. Obviously, this car is now back up and running, so I have to update you guys on how that has happened. My wife's BMW X3 has been getting tons of work done, and so I want to update you guys on that as well. And my Ford Focus, that's kind of my daily driver, is about to get a big restoration. I've kind of been neglecting it over the past couple of years, and so I really want to kind of bring it back and to its full glory. So that's going to be coming up on the channel as well. I'm going to be trying to do like a really full detail paint correction, lots of maintenance by myself. So if you want to see me struggle through that and maybe get some helpful tips, you can subscribe to the channel because those videos are going to be coming out very soon. As always, you can follow me on Instagram at Elijah Porter Official. I always post pictures of everything I'm doing before videos go live here on the channel. So if you're following me on there, you would have seen pictures from this car show the day it happens instead of however late this video goes out, because I always upload late. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.